Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration LT15ZWK. 2015 2.2 TDCi 155 PS low roof D/cab limited van. It's a factory-fitted crew cab 6-seater. It has done 131,000 miles with full service history and one owner from new. The van comes with tailgate model, heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, parking sensors, heated screen. This one-owner crew cab is in great condition both inside and out. It's never worked and has only ever been used as a car. It's the limited spec, so fully loaded with extras, the higher bhp output, and finished in deep impact blue. It's got to be one of the best examples on the market. Full MOT and full service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. No VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or 01885488188.